Greetings, Earthlings. We just basically completed the painting of the kitchen, so we thought we'd give you a quick video so you could see the beautiful blue walls, the white, everything all spick and span.
Stick my hair in paint.
The videographer's having issues. We have wet paint here, so we're trying to keep away from walls. So basically, the bottom line is, this is pretty much where it's going to be as far as finished product. And we're ready for cabinets, I think.
Well, the windows still need to be painted.
Yeah,
Right.
but you're going to paint that after we got everything in. But
yeah.
yes, the windows still need to be
They
painted.
still need
But
to be
basically,
painted and
anything that's not painted that you're seeing in this video is where cabinets are going. So it's covering all that with cabinets.
Yes.
So there's no reason to waste paint on it. So that's where we're at.
okay, so what happens next?
What happens next?
Uh-huh.
Well, I guess you paint that window if you're going to paint the window, but if you're not doing that first, then this cabinet right here is the corner cabinet, which will be set in that corner.
Okay.
And that's the next step, is to start placing cabinets and getting my level lines across so I can put them all in.
Okay. I still have to do touch-ups, but yeah.
Yeah, but we'll do touch-ups after we put cabinets in, because I'll probably bang some stuff up in the process.
Okay.
So that's the plan.
Okay. I think it looks wonderful. It looks pretty.
Well,
Oh, we
pretty
got
nice.
a light fixture is going to go up too.
Yep.
Up
And we could put
there.
that up now.
After I do the windows. I don't want to.
You want it after?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So there you go.
There you go.
Signing off.